Top Euro 5 facts about duck. Fact 1. Ducks belong to the family Anatidae, which includes over 120 species worldwide, ranging from the familiar mallard to the colorful wood duck. Fact 2. Many duck species are migratory, traveling long distances between their breeding and wintering grounds. Fact 3. Ducks are omnivores, feeding on a variety of foods including aquatic plants, insects, small fish, and even grains and seeds. Fact 4. Female ducks typically build nests on the ground and incubate their eggs. Fact 5. Many duck species face threats such as habitat loss, pollution, and hunting pressure.